Hi, my name is Nirbhay and I'm a second year PhD student at the École Normale Supérieure in Paris. I find it most practical that I can apply my knowledge of physics, a field often limited to abstract realms of quantum mechanics and black holes, to an understanding of our society and our lives. You must have remarked in your daily lives about the stark inequalities between people everywhere. Your favorite celebrity made a trip on a private jet while people live in inhumane conditions in your city. How do some people have mega yachts while others squander in poverty? In studying these inequalities, we can look at data which shows us how much fraction of the total wealth is owned by what fraction of people. This curve is a measure of inequality and shows how a few people own most of the wealth, whether it be in the US or in Germany or Greece. Let's suppose that a person's wealth grows more the more wealth they have, as it would if they invested or rent out the houses that they buy using this wealth. If we solve this mathematical equation, it results in large and ever-increasing inequalities and reflects wealth distributions similar to what we see in real life. From these models, we can also find ways to mitigate these differences. Imagine some people in the model are poor while some are rich. If we add any sort of redistribution of even a tiny bit of wealth from the richer to poorer people, the rise in inequalities can be stopped, showing the effects of efficient and proportional taxation. Here we have a result from a paper by Jean-Philippe Bouchot, where the ideal tax rate is shown as a function of the efficiencies of the government and private firms. Currently, I'm working on an agent-based model where people buy and sell goods they produce based on their importance and costs. For example, maybe you like foie gras a lot, but it's expensive, so you buy baguettes instead, which is cheap and filling. I find that this sort of primitive economic model gives very interesting behavior, exhibiting large inequalities based on some parameters of the system. I hope to understand this better using the tools of physics and hopefully do work that impacts people.